All right, this is page 215 in your binder. We're going to talk about three-dimensional figures. Some examples of a three-dimensional figure would be a pyramid or a box. So in geometry, we have what we call polyhedrons. A polyhedron is a 3D shape with all flat surfaces. Each surface is called a face and is a polygon. The lines where the faces touch or intersect is called the edge. And the point where three or more edges intersect is called the vertex. So let's look at this figure and label. This corner down here at the bottom is our vertex. This side is talking about that whole like colored in section right there that I just trashed. That's a face. And this one is talking about that line, which is an edge. Now, when we talk about polyhedrons, there are two types that we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about a prism and a pyramid. A prism has two parallel congruent faces called a base, or called our bases, and connecting faces are called our parallelograms. So, what I'm saying is that the two parts of the shape that are the same. So this both has a pentagon on top and bottom, and all our other shapes are like this rectangular shape, which a rectangle is a parallelogram. So the ones I just colored in, those are the bases because there's only two of those. So let's look down here at these shapes. You have these to cut out and add to your binder. So we're just going to color the bases. So if we look at this first one, the triangles are our bases because there's only two of them. All the other shapes are rectangles. The same on this one, these squares are our bases because the other four are rectangles. And this last one, the pentagon, is our base because there's two of those. And all the other shapes are rectangles. Let's talk about a pyramid and let's compare the difference in a pyramid and a prism. A pyramid has a polygon base and has only one. So it has one polygon base. It has all its faces are triangles, and it has a point or like a peak vertex. So the base in this pyramid is this bottom shape right here. And then its sides, if you look at its sides, they're all triangles. So there's one triangle, here's the other one's kind of hidden back there. So let's color in the bases on these pyramids. So this first one, it has a triangular base and it goes up to a peak right there. This one has a rectangular base. It comes up to a peak, so that means it's a pyramid. This one has a pentagon for a base, comes up to a peak. So the difference in these two are that the prisms have two bases and the pyramids have one base and a peak. We're going to look at a couple shapes, turn the page, that are not polyhedrons. First, we have a cylinder. It is not a polyhedron because we know that circles are not polygons. and it has these rounded sides where it has to have flat surfaces. A cone is not a polyhedron because it's got the circle base and the rounded sides. A sphere is not a polyhedron because it's a round ball. So now we're going to shade the bases and talk about the names of each of these. So these first three are all prisms because they have two bases. So I'm going to shade this triangle and that triangle. So the name of this shape is a triangular prism. I name it by the base and then whether it's a pyramid or a prism. This next shape, it has our two bases, the two like squares on the end, but it's got these rectangular faces. So I look at the bases and I know that they look like squares, but we always call these rectangular, and they don't come to a point, so these are prisms, rectangular prism. The name of this next shape, well, it's got a pentagon for a bottom and a top for its bases. So I'm going to call this a pentagonal prism. So those are our three prism shapes we're focusing on. Now let's look at these pyramid shapes. Same rules apply. I look at the bottom shape. That is a triangle. So this is a triangular pyramid. The next one, I look at the base. It's got four sides. So this one is a rectangular pyramid. And this last one, I got this shape right here. We can see that it's a pentagon, so we call it a pentagonal pyramid. So be sure to get all those names and things labeled. There's one other quick thing we're going to talk about, and it is what we call the Platonic solids. Sorry, I just made myself car sick. Okay. If all the faces on the polyhedron are regular congruent polygons, which means they're the exact same angles and the exact same signs, then it is a regular polyhedron. And their special name is the Platonic solids, and there are only 5 of them. And this means that in this shape, like all the sides of the triangles are exactly equal, all the angles are equal in every part of it. The same with this cube here. All the sides are the same. All the corners are right angles. So you have a tetrahedron, which are the shapes that we build and we have building in my room. You have a cube. You have an octahedron, dodecahedron, and icosahedron. Okay, so those are all your shapes you have. I need you to get these notes taken and do any other instructions on your Google Classroom.